We had written an article about CMSs and now we are making this video to answer to all of your questions. So, the first one. The main idea in your comment is that CMSs are efficient for beginners, but it stays a gallery of templates. You are almost right. But we can say that there are plenty of world-class firms using CMSs. In another comment, we can see the example of Coca-Cola. Their website was created not by Magento but by Adobe Experience Manager, which is also a CMS. Of course, there are several CMSs for the beginners, but also for the biggest companies like Coca-Cola. For example, Adobe Experience Manager of Magento are very powerful CMSs compared with WordPress, which is used by almost everyone. Big companies like Apple or Facebook couldn't use CMSs because they are using some functionalities which are specific to their websites. So they can't create the perfect website using CMSs. If you have money, you can hire developers to create your website perfectly. But if you have a limited budget, it could be better for you to use CMSs until you have more money. But you are right, Steve. Magento is still an e-commerce giant. Coca-Cola used Magento until last year, but do you know why? Well, let me tell you an interesting fact. All of these web stores, in fact, over a quarter of all e-commerce stores in the world are powered by Magento. Let's check out some facts that will help you understand why Magento is still considered an e-commerce giant. The first thing is that Magento is a free e-commerce platform released under open source license version 3.0 and built using PHP and other open source tools. By using these technologies, the platform is a highly adaptable and could be modified endlessly to exactly fit project requirements. Secondly, we have the Magento community. Where there is an open source app, there is a community. Since Magento is a very popular open source platform, there is a huge community of stores owners, etc. And finally, Magento offers you a default responsive design. The share of mobile devices in global e-commerce transactions is rapidly growing and it will surpass all other device classes. All in all, Magento offers a lot of functionalities that help developers create the perfect store for their client. If you are interested by the article, you can visit this website. We have spoken about the choice of our topic, the meaning of CMS, the future of CMS, and the use of CMSs for the e-business world. Basically, a CMS is all about programs that are used to create and manage a website. So you just need to install a software and you have already a website in which you can add your content. You don't need to write any code, so we can create more websites than before because the time to create a website has dropped.